Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock chart of Advanced Micro Devices, or shortly known as AMD. And if you look at this chart, there is a clear-cut breakout in its monthly trend, which means that a new bull market has already started in this stock. So we are going to discuss about the long-term trend and what should be the probable long term, you can say it, I call it a target resistance, you can call it as a target, because this kind of move will go much more higher, and it does not mean that if any short term resistance or corrections do come, the trend or rally is going to fail, because there is an importance of these kind of breakouts, and we are going to discuss these things in this video as well. So let us just look at this chart. So the data is available since 1980, but the problem is, if you had traded through ranges, I mean, if you picked up the stock, let's say in 19 lower of 1990s, lower of 1990, and sell it at 2000, so you have probably made 2000 200% of return. Or if you have picked up this stock since 2015, you could have made more than 4000% of return. But overall, let's say overall, if you have purchased at the lower end of the 1990, 80, 1990, so you have made only 1700 or 2000 probably odd percentage of return. But if you had purchased this stock at the top of 1984, you had just made a return of 162 odd percent. So what you could probably see is a long-term consolidating chart and a breakout from that level. So a chart which is consolidating since 1980, it means from the last 30 years, and given a breakout of this big scope has its own importance, and we are going to discuss about the ranges and the supports and the levels where they lies, and what we are going to expect here. Now just look at the chart. Just look at the chart, and what you could see here is something like this. Okay, so understand this. What you can see here is a breakout from last 30 years of consolidation. And let us just look at the important support and ranges of the previous levels. So this is your immediate support, which previously known as the resistance. So these are your previous immediate support at 50 and 44, and below which the next support will come at around 19.82, then your previous support ranges of 4.49, then 1.88 and 1.67. So here I am just referring the previous support and resistance. This does not mean the stock will fall back, because we are not talking about a breakout. So what you should care is about these two levels, 50.23 and 444.3. So these two levels will be your immediate support and strong support, because if it goes below 44, then these can be considered as a false breakout. But the way the chart pattern has moved, so it has been making higher highs, and it's made a move and stay over the most important resistance level, and stayed over. So it stayed over the most important resistance level, which now becomes a support of 50, and it's been there for last 2 or 3 months, so it's looked like a clear-cut breakout. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the next course of action which we could expect from this stock. Let's just understand one thing, that the next big move will take multiple years, so the time frame will be for a long term period. Okay, so don't consider this for a couple of quarters or couple of months, so it can probably be couple of years. So for that, what we could probably do is just calculating. Yeah, so here what we could probably do is we are going to calculate this one, the length of this range, okay, which is probably which is at, you can see here, 2200%. So now with this big move, technically it should move 2200% on the upside. So our next target, the next big move or next big target will definitely come at around, if not 4 digits, it's like, yeah, somewhere near here. So you can consider from in between 900 to $1,000. Now this will take couple of years. Let me tell you again and again, this is not a short-term trend. This will take time, because for these kind of targets to achieve, obviously it will take time, and you can consider this line as your support level. Okay, there is a trend which you can find here, and you can consider this line as your support level with which you can find out the trend. This is just for help. This does not mean that the stock will move in this fashion. If it does, then you can get it much more much earlier than we are expecting. So, but what you could probably do here is at least expect a 3 to 5 years of time period if you are looking for these kind of targets. So I am talking about the lower end of the range. So you should expect at least 3 to 5 years for the stock to reach its big target in the years to come. Probably, I'm not going to say in the months or in the quarter. So this is indeed a big breakout, and technically the chart will take the stock price, or the trend will take the stock price much more higher than anybody thinks. And if you are bothering about or looking at day-to-day corrections and all those things, so this is not for you. This is for long term, where you can find corrections. Yes, what you could probably do here is look at this line. Okay, if you are very much risk averse, look at this line. If the stock moves on the other side of this line, so if the stock stays at the lower end of the lower side of the left hand side of this line, then it is fine. Otherwise, if the stock goes beyond this line and crosses this line and moves beyond this line, you can close your position. That's also an option. Okay, so we are talking about the trend. If the trend is broken, if you are risk averse, then you can do that as well. And if the target reaches before that, so if the target reaches very sharply, so there is no question about this trend line. The trend line is still intact, but yes, there is a big target which is yet to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.